How to get Uber Eats working promo code. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for Uber Eats promo code. You'll get to see different sites over here. But head over to the very first one. It will land you on this interface. Different promo codes will be visible to you. All you want to do is tap on View Coupon. Well, the promo code will be shown to your screen. All you want to do is tap on Copy. Once you have copied the promo code, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your application Uber Eats and then use this promo code and get certain amount of discount. Likewise, you can copy the promo code from here and use it, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get Uber Eats working promo code. I really hope this video is gonna work out for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.